Hi, and welcome to Payroll Basics. If you're a growing small business looking to do payroll yourself, this is the payroll basic you need to know. Payroll processing is not difficult, but it can be tedious. Even with only one employee, an employer is required to withhold taxes from every paycheck, deposit these taxes to the IRS and the state in a timely manner, and prepare and file payroll returns as required. So these are the three important functions for employee payroll. Next, we will go through each of these in more detail. First, you need to withhold taxes from every employee paycheck. From every paycheck, an employer is required to withhold federal and state payroll taxes. Federal taxes include income tax, Social Security tax, Medicare tax, and unemployment tax. State taxes will generally include income tax, unemployment insurance, and disability insurance. There may be additional state taxes required depending on your state, so please check with your state for specifics. Next, after you withhold the employee payroll taxes, you need to deposit the taxes to the IRS and state on a scheduled basis. An employer is required to deposit these taxes either monthly, quarterly, semi-weekly, or by the next banking day. An employer's deposit schedule is specified by the IRS and is based on the company's prior payroll records and the dollar amount of the taxes. For example, a major corporation with millions in taxes is required to make deposits immediately after paychecks are issued. A small company, however, may be allowed to make deposits once a quarter. States generally follow the IRS schedule. If you do not know your deposit schedule, you need to contact the IRS or the state to confirm. Knowing your deposit schedule is important. The IRS will charge penalties and interest on payments made even one day late. Federal tax deposits to the IRS are generally made through the government website www.eftps.gov. State taxes are generally deposited through an individual state's website. Finally, after you have withheld the employee payroll taxes and then made the deposit, your final step is to prepare and file payroll returns to the IRS and the state as required. In addition to withholding and depositing taxes, an employer is required to file payroll returns. Federal payroll tax forms include 941 or 944, 940, W-2. Different states require different forms. For example, California employers are required to file DE-9C for wage and DE-9 for UI and ETT returns each quarter. So please check with your state for specifics. Just to recap, even with only one employee, an employer is required to do the following for employee payroll. Withhold taxes from every paycheck. Deposit these taxes to the IRS and the state in a timely manner. And prepare and file payroll returns as required. This concludes this Payroll Basics session. Please watch our other videos to learn more about do-it-yourself payroll and other payroll-related videos. This video has been provided to you by C&S Technologies, a leader in small business payroll management solutions. C&S Technologies is an IRS authorized online payroll software developer and payroll tax e-file partner. Please visit one of our websites to find the best do-it-yourself payroll solutions for your small business.